In this video, I'm going to show you how you can pay as little as 5,000 Naira daily ad budget and get good results with your ads using this strategy that I'm going to be showing you and this type of ad that you should run. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is BizLift NG, and this YouTube channel basically talks about Facebook ads, Instagram ads. We talk about how you can run ads on platforms like Facebook and Instagram and generate good results with these ads. So if you're just joining this YouTube channel, thank you so much for coming, and I hope you do subscribe and give me a thumbs up right on this video. And if you are an existing subscriber, thank you so much for watching my videos time and time again. Now this video, I want to show you exactly how you can spend as little as 5,000 Naira daily budget, or as little as $5 daily budget, or even less than that, and get good results with your ads. Now if you want to achieve this result, you must watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be sharing with you the exact ad objectives that will give you this good result. Now, one of the things that has been happening with ads right now is that ads have now become so expensive and people are really not getting so much result again, unlike before when you could actually spend small money to get good results on ads. Let's get straight into it and let me show you exactly what you need to do. Now, I'm sure you can see my screen. What I'm going to be sharing with you are the objectives that are going to work. Now, the type of ad that we want to run right now is called the engagement ad. Now, there are two objectives that can help you achieve this. One is the engagement objective. The second is the traffic objective. But I'll quickly start with the engagement objective and I'll break it down for you, okay? So I'm going to click on the create button and then click on the engagement objective. Let's start with the engagement objective. So right here, and then I'll click continue. Then I will use a manual engagement campaign and then click continue, okay? Please follow me carefully. All right, so once I'm done with this, then I'm just going to name my campaign here. Let's just call it low budget campaign, right? And then I'll click next at the bottom right corner here. Then we move to the ad set level. So what am I doing on the ad set level? Basically, I could also still name this and call it again low budget ad set. Then now when we get to the conversion right here, now what you see here by default in some ad account, you see messaging apps, so you have to change it to something called on your ad. Now that is the conversion location. Why are we using on your ad? Now if I chose messaging apps, basically what I'll be doing is that I'll be running ads that would make people message me, which is typically a sales ad. Now when I run this type of ad, it is usually expensive, right? I mean, sometimes over 1,000 per messages, sometimes even more than that. So you really want to do an ad called on your ad. Now the thing about this ad is that you can only use a video. You can see it here, right here. The engagement type is going to be video views. So that means for this ad, we can only use a video for this ad. Now just follow me, right? Now the performance goal, of course, is going to be maximize true play views, which is what we want. We don't want a 2-second continuous view. We want a true play view, meaning we want to show our ad to people who will watch the entire video, right? So that is true play views. Now cost per result, we leave it optional so that Meta can decide how much we pay per the result that we get. Now the next thing we're going to do is to come down to the budget and schedule right here. Now we are going to use 5,000 Naira daily budget for this ad, because the idea is for us to run this ad and get good results with this kind of budget, right? Now the other thing is that you need to understand that because you are running an ad that is 5,000 Naira daily budget, you would need to run it for at least 1 month, or let's say about 2 weeks to 1 month, right? So that you can get good results from it. But of course, the longer you can run, the more the results you will get. I mean, you should understand this already with everything about ads. The longer you run your ads, the better your results would be, and the lower you would even pay for that ad. So now I'm going to set my end date to 1 month, which is, let's say, 22nd of September. Okay, so after doing that, we scroll down to the audience control where we're going to choose the location. Now let me pause here and say that for location, if you want this ad to be effective for you, all you need to do is to choose 3 locations where you know that you're going to get maximum results, where you know that people buy from you already, say based on the data that you have from your business, people buy from you in these cities. Now you're not going to pick states, you're not going to pick countries, right? So let's say you're running the ads to Nigeria. You're not going to pick the entire Nigeria. Even if you're running the ads for United Kingdom, you won't pick the whole of the United Kingdom. So what you will most likely do is pick 3 cities where you know that you're going to get results from. So cities like Lagos, Port Harcourt, Abuja, I'm okay with that. And if it's the United Kingdom, pick cities like Birmingham, say cities like London, Manchester, you're good, right? And if you could only just probably pick one city, that also works, okay? So once you have done that, so let's change this to Lagos, right? I'm going to change this to Lagos. I'm going to add Abuja as well, right? So let's start with these 2, right? I'm okay with these 2. Now, we'll scroll down. Now, when we get to the Advantage Plus audience, understand that the Advantage Plus audience basically is an AI-enabled platform that helps you, that gives you the option of you suggesting certain information or providing certain information about your target audience, and then that information is used to help you get the best people that your ads will be showed to. Right? So that's basically what the Advantage Plus audience is. But for this ad, I wanted to use the original audience. So use original audience. Okay. So that's what we're going to use. Now, once this is done, scroll down again. We're going to put in the age range, right? I like to be very precise with this. So I'm going to do 27 and let's say 45. Okay. Now, this is depending on your type of business. Please understand that. Now, we're going to also go to the gender. Let's say we want to do all gender. Then also, if we want to include the detailed targeting, that also makes a lot of sense if you want to. But I would want to advise that you leave this as broad as possible, especially when your ad is, if your ad is, for example, if your business is the type of business where you can select one gender, say only female alone, I think you should do without the detailed targeting, right? But if your business is the type that is both male and female, then you would want to specify the detailed targeting, because male and female, you don't want to throw that so wide. So let's say for this, we're using male and female. So let's just do this for somebody who sells, let's do this for somebody who sells bags. So let's just put bags, right? Handbags. I'm going to click on the suggestion, and then I'll get fashion accessories. I'll go bags. I'll go wallet. Okay. I'll go shopping. I'll go what else again? Luxury goods. So let's just say that for now. Okay. So what we'll do again is scroll down to the placement. Right now on the placement, we're going to use a manual placement. Right. We're going to use a manual placement so that we can choose the platform where our ads will be running to. Now, in choosing the platforms, please do not use all the platforms at once. I don't advise that you do that. So I like that you specify the exact platform where you want your ad to be sent to. So for this, we're choosing Instagram, right? So don't worry about the minus you're seeing here. Instagram is selected as the only platform where we're sending this ad to. And if you want to use Facebook as well, just ensure that you're using just one platform at a time, right? If you want to use other platforms, you can create multiple campaigns to use other platforms. It's that simple. So once we have done this, we can click next and go to the last part of our ad, which is basically just using an existing post on our page. And then we select the post, and then we come to Instagram, select the post that we want to do, and then that is it, right? Now, this is for if you are using engagement as an objective. Now, the second option I'm going to show you is if you are using something called traffic. It is also possible to use another objective called traffic to run this ad. I'm going to run through that quickly. Just follow me. Okay, let's just close this. Okay, let's close this. Let's create another one. And then this time around, we're going to use traffic, continue. Then we use manual traffic campaign, continue again. Please follow me carefully. Okay, now we just name the campaign. Let's just say we've done that already. Then we click next, right? Go to the ad set level. Now on the ad set level here, on the conversion, unlike what we did for the engagement where we chose on your ad instead of messaging apps, we're going to come here and choose Instagram profile. So it will be send traffic to your Instagram profile. So basically what this ad will do is that when people see this ad, they are able to click on the ad and it takes them to our Instagram profile. So for people who sell varieties, this will really work for you. So send Instagram profile, then we continue the ad, 5,000 naira. Then we continue the ad the way we've done for the previous one, finish up the ad, and this way we'll be able to we'll be able to get good results for as low as possible. So if you are on a tight budget and you want to really maximize your ad budget, please, you can start running engagement ads. They are less expensive. They get you good results. In fact, engagement ads will not only help you bring sales, they help you create that awareness. So it's almost like you're getting two things for the price of one. So you're getting awareness, you're also getting sales from running this type of ads. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead right now and create an engagement ad. Let me know in the comment section. If you have questions or if you need any clarifications in the comment section, let me know. I'll be willing to help you. And also, if you have watched this far, please give me a thumbs up in this video, leave a comment, share this video with somebody, and also subscribe if you have not done that. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video. I hope you do enjoy this video and you got value. Thank you so much, guys, and I appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys in another video.